All right. Hey, Veronica. This is Brandon with Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 techniques and tricks that you can do to outrank your competitors on Google. Okay, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. It'll be quick, and you're probably wondering why I'm even filming this in the first place. If you could forward this on to whoever might need to see it, if you feel that it's relevant, I would appreciate that. So what I'm doing here in Q4 is just sending out a game plan, an attack plan for some small business owners out here in Denver. And if they find it, valuable and they like what they see, they can take it and run with it and they can get it done on their own if they feel they have the time and resources. Or if not, they can get with me and figure out if I can help and what that looks like. So whatever you decide to do with this information is ultimately up to you guys. And either way is okay with me. I just hope that there's some value in this for you and that you learned something today. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you your website compared to a top competitor in your area. So when we type in this keyword, HVAC services in Denver, let's say, for example, this is what comes up on Google. You've got your map pack right here, which I will talk to you about. You've got some Google ads here, which I'm not going to talk about because that's a different story. And then you've also got your organic searches right here. So I'm going to talk to you about Service Expert Denver and what they're doing. We're not going to talk about Yelp and Angie's List. That's a much longer conversation, and I don't want to bore you, okay? But we're trying to get you up to this front page of Google. So the first thing I'm going to talk to you about is content. So when it comes to ranking on Google, content is very, very important. So the average homepage needs to have at least 1,500 words on it, and you guys have that, so that's a good start. But it matters what is in the content. You need what is called buyer intent keywords to be riddled throughout your entire website. So a buyer intent keyword is something that people are typing into Google on a regular basis when they're searching for whatever you guys can offer them. So what I've done is I've pulled up your website right here, and this is a paid tool called Ahrefs. You can use a free tool, but this is the one that I use. And I've plugged in your URL, and here are the analytics. So you guys have 1,300 keywords, which is a great start, and it's helping generate this much traffic per month to your website. Now, this oftentimes is underreported, so it could definitely be higher than this. So you're off to a great start with 1,300 keywords. Your top competitor here, Service Experts, they have 1,600 keywords versus your 1,300, and it's helping drive in close to 1,000 people a month to their website. Okay? So more traffic, more keywords. So they've already done the hard work for you. So what I like to do is use the copycat method. You want to use all the keywords that they're ranking for that are relevant and get them all into your site and then get even more. So you're basically taking what they've done already, they've done the hard work for you, taking those keywords, getting them into your website, and then add even more. And that will help you beat them. And if it's working for them, then it will work for you. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. The second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So a backlink is anything any website that links back to you, that drives traffic to you. That's considered a backlink. So not all backlinks are created equal, just like not all keywords are equal. A keyword does not mean that it has buyer intent. So we need to look for buyer intent keywords. For backlinks, you don't just want any backlink. You want a powerful backlink. So powerful backlinks are trustworthy and relevant sources. So other HVAC plumbing companies, other restoration companies, insurance companies, for example, you don't want to link yourself to a Pizza Hut because Google knows that you're not in the food industry, so it will not help you rank. Okay, so you guys have 989 backlinks from 331 domains. Your top competitor has 1,900 backlinks from 95 domains. So they have 1,000 more backlinks from about 200 less websites, which tells me that theirs are more qualified and they're more powerful. And that is probably why they have much more traffic, is because of the backlinks they're using and the buyer intent keywords they're using. Okay, so same thing, you can go check out their backlinks, figure out what they are, and add yourself to these if they're relevant. So 20 best Arvada furnace repair services, that sounds relevant.
So you can click on here, you can get yourself listed, and you can list and link yourself to your website. That is considered a backlink. Okay, so the next thing is, how do you get into this Google Map Pack? This is super important, especially when people are searching on their cell phones, which a lot of people are. Okay, so what we need to do here is figure out how many citations Golden West Plumbing has. Citations are important here. A citation is anywhere you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory, pretty much. So if they have 200 citations, you need 250 to 300 citations to dominate them in this space. Okay? And there's some other ways to optimize your Google My Business profile. I could talk about this stuff for hours. There's a lot to it, so a 5-minute video really doesn't cut it. But these are 3 things that would help you guys if you could get this done. So if you guys have any feedback, I would love to hear it. If you have any questions or would like to chat, I'm open. You can text, email, or call me at any time. And I hope you guys found this valuable, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.